really about this gun life, yeah, you know where I be at. Catch me at the gun range, you know I be there all day. People call me a hoarder cause I'm stacking up my gun safe. You never catch me lacking cause I go nowhere naked. If I could, I would, I walk around with the AK. Welcome to my life, stay tuned. This is Quay Way TV. Y'all who know anything about this item, give me your feedback. Let me know in the comments down below. Or hit me up on Instagram at QuayWay252. Let me know in the DMs, man. Let me check me out, man. Let me know something, because I don't know. This is my first one. So, without further ado, let's get straight to it. Yeah. Red Army Standard 75 round drum. Let's get to it. Oh, my bad. So, I'm going to show y'all. Oh, dang. Yeah, so I already opened it and looked at it. But I didn't mess with it. I didn't play around with it. So, obviously the magazine, we ain't gonna get that yet. It's a little fake unboxing video. I'm gonna give y'all the back of the box. You know, for those who are interested. As you know already, 7.62 by 39. Made in Romania. And it goes for your RAS. What is it? Your Wasser, and your C39 V2. So that's what it's saying. It's all compatible with, as I just showed you. So anyway, you know, you get this manual. This is what I need to read. I'm gonna keep this. Get the manual. It's not color coded like a lot of the other things are, like the other manuals. Oh, but it is. I thought it was a little booklet, but it's not. So I need to read this. Because I'm looking at YouTube video. Duh. Alright, straight to this, man. You know, it comes in that good old wrapping paper so it doesn't get all rusty and everything. No. Smells like Romania. No, I'm lying. So, this is it. Very lubricated. Let's see if I can pop this thing open. There we go. Shoot! Hurt my fingers. This little piece don't come off to it. I told y'all I'm doing this with y'all. All right, here we go. Here we go. So you're gonna pop these two little clips off. Then you're just gonna pop, plug it open. So I don't even know how to put this together, but I was looking at a couple videos on YouTube and I'm still confused. So if anybody has any tips or advice for me or a video link, let me know. I'm still gonna, here, look at my hand. So I'm still gonna look at YouTube video, but you know, if y'all played with this product before, let me know. I'm quite interested. All right, this is what I'm at. So, well, I ain't no fool. I'm gonna just leave this alone. Back to YouTube we go. I'm gonna look at some more YouTube videos on this. But I guess I just want to show y'all how it look. And I'm gonna plug it into both these AKs I have so you guys can get a look. You know. Clear, so y'all can get a look. I've never even dealt with a drum before, so let's see if I even. Well, darn, how you get this in? Cut. Oh, wow. All right. Look, man, raw and uncut. I'm just gonna give y'all how it go, bro. I don't know. It's my first time using a drum. I'm not an expert, but I know y'all will help me. So, that's how it look. And this is my Vishka. So, here we have it. First impressions. It's loose. So I kind of feel like yeah, it's still loose, but it's in there. Okay. As you see, that was the Visca. And the only other AK that I have, my Mini Draco, that I haven't seen in months because I don't be home enough to play with my weapons. The little firecracker itself. So now that I know how to put it in, uh-oh, I thought I did. I'm doing it wrong again. Put it together. No, I just did it right. I had it right. I just did it. But why it's not going? Why it's not going? Cut. I don't even want to drone no more. If I was getting shot at, if I was being hunted, you see how long I took, right? Anyway, man. Mini Draco. What's this? From Romania, right? They both from Romania? Yeah. This looks good. This look good. I ain't gonna lie. This look good. I'm alright now. So anyway, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Hold up, let's see. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all the new firearm and we're gonna shoot it. But for now, look, all the damage I done did to it already. So for now, I'm gonna look at some YouTube videos because I don't know how to work this thing, as y'all can see. And I'm gonna try to post a little bit more, man. Like I said, man, y'all follow me on Snap. That's QUAA_Jackson, Quay Jackson. And on Instagram, it's Quayway252, man. So that's where I do my most activity day in, day out. YouTube, as you can see, I kind of fell back. But if y'all bring me back into that light, man, I'll be sure to get up on it. But like I said, as the holidays are approaching, I have been working a lot more to get ready for that. So y'all hit me up, man. Let me know what y'all think about this drum. Any tips y'all got? Like I said, I'm going to look at YouTube because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to get to y'all, man. Quayway Gang out. Oh, yeah. Also, let me know what y'all think about this intro. Peace.